Okay, so the given for number 4, we have triangle ABC. This is triangle ABC is an isosceles triangle. The second given is, we have segment AD is the median of triangle ABC. And then we're going to prove that angle BAD is congruent to angle CAD. So what we're going to do? So to prove, we need to follow the 4 steps. Okay, step number 1. First, we need to identify the given. Then after that, we need to put a markings. Let us analyze the first given. So triangle ABC is an isosceles triangle. Now, what is isosceles triangle? Pabelyor. How many congruent sides? Very good. When we say isosceles triangle, it is a kind of triangle with 2 congruent sides. So now, based on the given triangle, what are the 2 congruent sides? What segment? Or Blora?
Segment AB.
Very good. The 2 congruent sides are segment AB and segment AC. What we're going to do, we need to put a markings. Okay, then given number 2. Let us analyze the given number 2. We have segment AD is the median of triangle ABC. Now the question is, what is a median? Okay, a median, it is a segment connecting the vertex and the midpoint. Okay, meaning, so si segment AD daw anak ay median ng triangle ABC. Meaning si triangle ABC ay nahati po sa ilan? Dalawa po. At kung si segment AD is the median of triangle ABC, therefore kapag may median, automatic meron tayong midpoint. Anong point po iyon? Point? Ano ang midpoint natin dito anak? Si segment AD daw ay median. Therefore, the midpoint is point D. Very good. This is the midpoint. Now, if point D is the midpoint, meaning, anong segment ang hinati ni point D? Pabelyor. Segment? Okay, meaning si segment BC ay nahati sa dalawa. At iyon po yung sinabi ni Pabelyor. We have segment BD and segment CD. They are also congruent. So, meron pa ba tayong given? Wala na. Now, let us analyze the figure. What can you say about the 2 triangles? Very good. May common part, and that is side. What side? Conchada? AD. Very good. So, this is the third common or congruent sides. Now, based on the markings, meron na ba tayong postulate? That is step number 2. Determine what postulate. Anong postulate yan, anak? Very good. The SSS. Step number 3 na tayo. Use 2 column, which is the statement and reason. What do you think is the first statement? Malabanan. And what is your reason, anak? Very good. So, the first statement is, triangle ABC is an isosceles triangle. And the reason is given. Now, statement number 2. The question is, do we need to prove statement number 1? Yes, kasi gumamit tayo ng mathematical term na ano po? How to prove that triangle ABC is an isosceles triangle? Yes, Tanyedo, what do you think is the statement number 2? Very good. We have segment AB is congruent to segment AC. And what is the reason, anak? Okay, definition of isosceles triangle. Now, let us proceed by statement number 3. What do you think is the statement number 3? Tapongot. Okay, very good. The statement number 3 is segment AD is the median of triangle ABC. But before that, class, since statement number 2 is already congruent, meaning ilagay na natin yung part niya. What part is this? Side or angle? Lagyan natin ng S sa gilid para ma-identify natin yung postulate at hindi makalimutan. So again, statement number 3, we have segment AD is the median of triangle ABC. Sulpico, what is the reason? Given. Do you think we need to prove statement number 3? Talib, what is the mathematical term for number 3? Median. So again, when we say median, it is a segment connecting the vertex and the midpoint on the opposite side. Again, segment AD is the median of triangle ABC. Now, how to prove that segment AD is the median? Okay, Reblora, what is statement number 4?
Segment BD is congruent to segment BC.
Okay, segment BD is congruent to segment CD. And what is the reason, Monares?
Definition of median.
Very good. Definition of median. Okay, now, since statement number 4 is already congruent, so put the Part. O what part is this? Side or angle? Okay, put letter S. And statement number 5. Meron pa bang given ay susulat?
Sir.
Observe the illustration na kung wala naman po tayong given. Tambawan, what do you think is the statement number 5?
Segment D is congruent to segment B.
Very good. And what is the reason? Reflexive property. Okay, now, what part is this? Side or angle? Side. O, may postulate na po ba? Kapag may postulate na anak na nakalabas, ano yung next statement? Okay, name of the two triangle. Graphil, what is the statement number 6? What is the name of the two triangle? Using the markings tayo, anak, ha? Stand up ka, anak. Graphil. Triangle. ABD is congruent to what triangle? Very good. Triangle ABD is congruent to triangle ACD. And what do you think is the reason? Di Mayuga. What postulate is this, anak? Okay, very good. The SSS postulate. And then, since napalabas na natin yung postulate, what is the last statement? Villanueva. Angle.
Angle PAB is congruent to angle CAD.
And what is the reason, anak? Okay, very good. So, we have angle BAD is congruent to angle CAD, and the reason is CP, CTC. Any question? Do you understand?